What up, everybody? This is Ace69, also known as Ace69 Gamer, on my other awesome mobile gaming YouTube channel, baby. Today, me and Jasmine are actually gonna do a challenge. Which challenge are we doing, Jasmine?
Chubby Bunny Challenge.
We're doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge. We need to see. We gotta put one by one. We'll each put a marshmallow in our mouth and say Chubby Bunny. And we keep going and keep going to see how many we can fit in our mouth and still say Chubby Bunny. If you cannot say Chubby Bunny anymore, you lose. If you spit it out, you lose. And if you swallow one, a marshmallow, you lose. And Robert's over there somewhere. Robert, where are you? Hey, kids, he's coming. So let's do this. One for you. You go first. Put it in your mouth. Make it fit somewhere. And you gotta say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Daddy turn. Put one. Chubby Bunny. Here, you.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. You both say it. Chubby Bunny.
Here, you know,
I win.
my teeth are hurting.
Yeah.
I can't say it anymore.
Whew.
It was like coming out of my mouth. It was like making like a big tower out of my mouth.
Get over here. One more round. Come on. You're gonna fall. Leave that there. What? Already? You can't even say it?
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Woo! Chubby Bunny. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey. Chubby Bunny.
I couldn't anymore. You keep winning.
I win. Go bring the. Now we're gonna do the other one. What's it called? To make the what?
The slime thing?
Slime. We're gonna try to do slime.
Can I go throw this?
Go through it. Cause I win the Chubby Bunny challenge. Now let's do slime. Let's do this. Alright, we're gonna try to do this. How to make.
What is even this?
I don't know.
What's the white stuff? Oh, sodium something.
We need a small cup of water. Jasmine, we need a cup of water.
I can put there.
Oh, maybe here.
Oh, we have some yellow in this.
Ooh.
Maybe that's has to make
Yeah,
it.
look, Robert, show the camera. This is the one we're trying to make.
We're trying to make Wait, I think this is...
Yeah, that one. That's the one we're making, okay?
Daddy,
We're
I think this is the... It says that you can add some extra sand. I think this is the extra sand.
Okay. Put some, we need some water right here. We need 135.
But we need
Like,
a bowl.
wait. Huh?
We need a bowl.
Oh, Robert's gonna show his horse. That's his horse.
We need a bowl too.
No, you just need to put right here. Water here.
Why?
That's what it says here. 40 milliliters. You have to fill it up.
All the way?
Mm-hmm.
Don't we need a bowl?
No, just right here, put water.
Oh, we're just gonna make a little bit?
We're learning. We're not gonna make it like a hot lot. We're gonna at least see if we can do it. No, water, agua. Bro, trying to give me Gatorade. It's agua, no Gatorade. See, agua. Then, okay, this is a warm water. Using provided spoon. Scoop one level. Where's the spoon? Where's the spoon? There it is. We found the spoon.
Like this much?
I guess. Bring it. Measure and pour 16 milliliters of white glue.
What happened?
16 milliliters of white glue. Now the white glue. We're gonna try to do this. Put some glue. I don't know how much is 16 milliliters, but put some glue. Ah! Rabbit! You're gonna make some too? You're gonna make some too? Yeah? Put some on. Just some shit. Hopefully that's enough. Okay.
Oh, Daddy!
Got me! We dropped it!
Daddy, why did you do that?
I wasn't trying to! Fail. Do it again.
But you have to clean that up.
I know. I know. It was a fail. Fail.
Because you dropped it.
Yeah. Robert's still with his horse. Horsey. Is your horse? Oh Lord. Oh Lord. We're gonna keep going. Hold on. Let Robert pour. Pour glue. Alright.
Pour glue.
We're back.
Pour glue.
We're pouring the glue.
I'm helping you, okay?
Pouring the glue.
I think that's enough.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it says with the spoon. Think. Get the spoon. Hold on.
I'm gonna. Okay, wait.
Stir the mixing stick. Stir with the mixing stick.
Oh, the mixing stick.
This one. All right, that one.
You know, just store.
Mix.
Okay, here, boy, stomach.
Let them mix. Doesn't
That
matter.
one with that one.
Mix it up. Mix it.
Okay, let me mix it in. No, don't use the spoon.
I think we're doing it right. Hopefully.
No, wait, Daddy!
With the scoop up 1 level spoonful of sodium tetrahydrocannabinol. What's that? This? Green dye? No.
Where's the white thing?
What white thing? Sodium. Oh yeah, this.
It's not done because look.
Okay, stir. Keep stirring, Papa.
Keep stirring. Can I help you?
Stir.
It's okay. I'm only dropped a little bit. Let me help you. I'm gonna do it. Dada, you wanna stir it? Okay, stir it. Stop! Don't do that!
Okay,
Don't drop it!
this now we need another cup though.
Why?
This fill a cup. This fill a second cup with water, measure and pour 26 milliliters white glue into the second cup. Stir mixing until glue is roughly mixed. Do not stir with plastic spoon as sodium carbohydrate make the glue solution to transform.
Stop. Wait. We don't know
Then
what
you
we're
add
doing.
the
Robert, stop. You're going to drop it.
I don't know, but let's put this. Open it.
You're going to put it?
Yes, Robert. Échale. Cáralo. Échale ahí.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah. We probably need a second cup, but that's fine.
We're barely learning, so we don't know.
We're learning.
Robert, stop! Don't do that, okay?
Mix it.
Next time, be careful, okay?
Mix it, pues.
Oh.
You gotta mix it.
Let me put it right here. It's because it's hard.
How's it going?
Look at this. It's really getting chunky and getting on this.
You got a spoon! A spoon! We're probably gonna fail this one, but we're trying.
Yeah, but but if we don't make another one, then we're gonna know that that we know what to do now.
Right.
Yeah, that's your finger. It's gonna bite it. Oh.
And then next time we might do the lava. The lava.
The next time we're gonna do this one.
The lava slime goo.
Sand and toy dino.
And this is the sand, no?
Yeah, that's the sand.
That's if you want to make it more chunky.
I don't.
Huh?
I don't.
Shut up, please. No, sir.
No, I'm gonna. Okay, I'm gonna put some sand. Oh, okay.
Robert, like me. Oh, sorry about that.
Okay, there you go. That was the mess you made. Let's stir it, okay? Okay, Robert, stop! You're gonna drop it. This is why I hate working with Robert. Then he always drops everything.
Well, he's a baby. Give him a break. He's a baby.
It's
Yeah,
good?
he's good. He says it's good.
Let me check this out.
Does it feel does it feel weird, or does it feel like an actual, what's it called?
Slime.
Slime? Does it feel like slime? Does it feel weird?
It feels weird. Like, touch it.
Kinda. Like a small slime.
It's kind of hard to stir because then this is getting out the skin.
If you guys have any suggestions how to do this, let us know. Leave in the comments below. We're trying. We're learning. Next time we'll probably use a bigger cup.
Yeah.
We're trying. We also did the Chubby Bunny, so we're putting both videos in one. Chubby Bunny Challenge and the Slime
Yeah,
Challenge.
he won twice.
Yes, so you saw it earlier in the video.
I couldn't take anyone out. Oh my god.
Keep mixing. Mix.
Oh, you want to add that?
Want to add some paint?
Okay.
Some yellow paint? Ow! Why not? Paint? You're adding some paint?
Don't help me. Oh, you want some? Okay, that's enough. I'm just helping him because he doesn't even know what he's doing.
We don't know what we're doing.
Yeah,
Come on.
but he doesn't even know.
Oh! Robert laughing. Ooh, Robert, you're in trouble.
But we don't need any more of that. I'm gonna add a little bit more yellow.
Add some more yellow. So it could be glow in the dark. You have to add a lot of yellow.
Are you
I think so. Why not? We already don't know what we're doing. Okay. Save some for later, next time.
I already used the whole thing.
What? No.
Yeah. We're gonna have to buy another one of these
Oh Lord.
if we're gonna make another one. It's getting lighter screen.
Yeah,
Oh
Robert?
my god.
How's it going? Oh, Robert got the spoon.
But we can't put it in there because remember, they said not to do with the
I
spoon.
guess.
Oh,
Yeah, Robert, next time we're going to do that one. Yeah,
Next time, you have to look for the dinosaur you took out, okay? So that way we can put it in when we do that one. Huh, Daddy?
Yep.
So that way it can really, like, you can try to get that. Oh, yeah, we're doing that one right
That
now.
one, that's the one we're doing. Yay!
Look at this. It's getting greenish already.
How's it going? How's it feel?
It's getting there. It's kind of getting there. I don't know. But at least it's getting green. It's getting green, though.
It's getting green.
I'm gonna have to wash my hands.
Wash your hands. Well, we try. We did a small, weird slime. And we did a Chubby Bunny challenge. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We at least tried. If you have any suggestions, let us know. Ow! Get your face off the camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Make sure you let everybody know about our channel. Alright? Check out our merchandise that we have. Yeah, buy two merchandise, Robert said. We have a lot of awesome merchandise. And check out Ace69 Gamer as well, my other channel. And check out also FunnyDcx channel. He's a cool kid. He does videos. He's family, so go check him out and subscribe. Robert.
Stop! I'm turning.
Robert.
Stop, Robert! No,
Excuse me. You got something to say to the camera? Screw you. Anything else to say? We try.
I just made it even more chunkier.
She just made it more chunkier. Let me see.
I put more of
It
this.
looks like kind of like cotton candy.
No. Look, Robert, this is cotton candy.
Ew.
It's an ew cotton candy?
Show the results. Show the results. There it is. That's our result. That's our so-called slime. All right. Well, we half-assed. Hopefully, we do it better next time. This is Ace69.
It's a bigger thing.
Yeah, Princess J and baby Ace69, and we are out of here.